Today I'm trying to replicate the most famous french fries from McDonald's. For that we need around 5 potatoes. Peel the potatoes first. Once it is peeled, cut the potato into 2 slices, exactly 2 halves. Once that is done, then cut the potato into 3 equal sizes. But the topmost part which I'm cutting right now is actually waste. We can't use that for frying. After that, cut into equal parts. After that, cut small strands. Just make sure that it is uniform so that it helps in while during boiling and frying. After that, you have to put this in the water so that oxidation is stopped, otherwise the potatoes might turn black in color. Once that is done, just put it back in a different pan and just again put in fresh water and again clean this so that the starch is removed. Again keep it back. Now again put it for the third round. Again put the fries in, clean it. After that, you might notice that the water has not changed color and it is crystal clear. It means that you will have to do it for one more time. Again remove the fries, change the water and put in the fries and clean it, and then put it in a beaker. Add in some water and add it till the surface of the fries, till the last surface of the fries. Then add in 1 teaspoon salt, around 2 teaspoon vinegar, and mix it well. Then heat the pan at high flame. Heat the fries. After that, you can have to check it by using a fork. Just take a single fry out and try inserting the fork, and if it enters and exits easily, it means it is cooked properly. After that, we have to add in cold water and some ice cubes, and you have to take in some more fries just to check whether it is blanched or no. After that, just see, you can see that it is properly 55% cooked. And remove all the fries out. Don't keep it in the pan so that it might heat up more. Just off the flame and remove the fries. Then put it in cold water and keep on pouring cold water. After that, take a pan which has holes beneath and then put in the fries. Then add in some tissues on top of that so that it soaks all the water. Then again put in fries. And again put in some tissues to cover it up. Then keep it in the fridge for around 5 minutes. Then take another pan and then add in oil and just wait for the temperature, and then add in all the fries. Now we are just partially cooking the fries. We cook it for around 2 to 3 minutes and then keep it out. And then this is the second round where you add in the fries again and cook it like for another 5 minutes. And then this is the masala: mirchi powder, salt, garam masala, and then put in the salt. And now the fries is ready. You can see how crispy it is and how you can see the texture. And this is how you make, and it does not have a specific recipe. Basically, it's a scientific way of doing it. Thank you, and please do try it out.